Everyone, welcome back to my channel Manimanthan Konda. I am so sorry that I have been a bit late to upload this video. So I am making this video quite interesting with another science experiment. This experiment name is Fountain at Home. So for this experiment you will need 5 things. Let's see what they are. So the first thing is a balloon and a bottle with a hole here. I've already made it. Some colored water and a glass whose height is less than this hole, along with a straw. This straw should fit inside this. Yes, it fits. So now let's see how to do this. So firstly, take this colored water into this bottle. Make sure that you fill under some length under this hole. Now the second step is that you put this straw here. Right. Now take this and place it here, so that the water falls here and falls inside this. Now it's the time to inflate our balloon. Yes, now I have inflated the balloon and placed it on its hole. And now let's untwist it. Let's do it once again. See, that was it. So, what's the reason of the water in this bottle to this bottle? How is it going? Is it transporting, or what is it doing? Now let's know it by science. So, what does this balloon contain? It contains air, right? So, air is a matter. It has its own mass and it occupies some space. As we know, in balloon, it has some weight and air occupies space inside the balloon. So, the balloon is never empty. So, now when this air goes inside the bottle, the storage in this bottle, for suppose it is 32 GB and you have some extra app to download. And if it gets downloaded, what will it happen? So all the thing that happens is your phone memory. So this bottle tries to burst and the air tries to escape. So as we have a hole in here, the air tries to escape from this hole. So we have straw here, so it comes from the straw. So it has some pressure. So by that pressure, the air takes the place of this water. So the water comes into this glass. So that's the reason behind this science experiment. Make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel Manimanthan Konda. Bye. Thanks for watching.